Welcome to Pepin Island, a unique opportunity in one of the most beautiful areas of New Zealand. With unlimited views across the Tasman Sea, Pepin is unique. One property, one entire island, over 1,200 acres, with views from sea to snow-capped mountains. A temperate climate, a functioning farm, abundant produce and genuine privacy. You can have the whole island to yourself. It's yours, every last square foot with all the features you need. Farm buildings, cottages, fencing, water and power are all established, making for easy living in a spectacularly beautiful place. Pepin is connected to the mainland by a causeway. Drive to and from your island in any weather, any time you want. And a short 20-minute drive to Nelson, the national airport, and the world. It's easy living on an island. The island is a working farm carrying over 1,900 sheep all year round. An extensive track network opened the island up to spectacular vistas and truly unique small chalets for overnight stays. A wide range of fruit trees give a bountiful harvest, along with olive and macadamia orchard. Pepin is almost always frost-free, enabling most things to thrive in the fertile soil. 20 minutes from Nelson and the world, Pepin is a functioning farm that could be so much more. Rocky coves, sandy beaches, and top-of-the-world living. You can live the lifestyle you want on your island. It's your island.